Everything about it is captivating, really human.
Hilarious.
Like, what are they?
Like, what am I looking at?
So fun.
It also has a social element of, you're always in a room together doing movement together. And it's not just you doing the movement, it's, am I in the correct place so that the people around me can move too?
Sorry, I'm not being accurate about that.
No, it's okay.
I think the arms are separate, the arms go. And then it's like, oh, there you are, you're doing something. What? I don't want it.
Okay. Look here.
Open.
Hey.
Look. You step on, hey. You step onto your right foot and your hands meet. Yeah. Okay, if I get close.
That's perfect.
Okay.
Hand movement, take one.
The beauty and like complexity too, dance, because it comes from our bodies and who we are, and so it is very personal, very different for each person to experience.
Yeah.
And what so many things look like come from who we are. Like you refer to like the background of like where you come from. Like that definitely informs everything from like the warm up you're choosing to do to the classes to the work
Yeah.
that you create and do sometimes.
Yeah. And it's been really interesting as I get older to be in different environments and work with lots of different people and sort of try out different fields outside of dance and realize that I can't escape the dance thinking. It's like that is who I am.